Hello, hi, welcome to the Dream Journey channel. Today we are talking about if you directly buy from the farmers, what are the advantages of it, how do you manage waste with a practical example. So first thing is it is fresh and from local farm and a wider variety. You can taste the seasonal fruit. It is healthy for sure. You support a farmer. It is affordable as well, and you know where the food is coming from. Come on, this is a very important topic. You know, whenever you go to buy a medicine, you ask for the expiry date and you ask for the manufacturer, but you don't know where your food is coming from and who is producing it. That is very important. So if you buy from a local farmer, it is easy to understand his process, what kind of pesticide he's using, what kind of chemicals he's using, or is it organic, and it is going to support his family and the whole economy system. Okay, waste management is the most important topic, and we are going to cover this topic vastly in this particular video. So what happens if you buy from a mall, shopping mall, or a big retail shop? It goes from the farmers to it goes to the storage where they use preservatives, and then it goes to consumers. But if it is coming from directly farmers, you know, if there is a waste also, how does a farmer handles its waste? So we are going to talk about that. Before we begin, I would like to introduce our Dream Journey channel, and we are going to cover dreamers, mentors and places. So please support this channel, like, subscribe and share. As we were talking about buying directly from a farmer, here is an example of a dreamer who is practically doing this. He is a data analyst at Dell, and he is supporting his farming family here in Chikballapur, Karnataka, India. Meet Mr. Manjunath from SNS Farming. Manju sir, what are the advantages of buying directly from farmers?
First advantage is you know where your food is grown. You know where the food is grown, because you will have the branded food. It's just not having a branded t-shirt or branded shoes or branded wanteds. The branded veggies and fruits. You should know where the food is grown, how it is grown. So farmer no need to use the preservatives at all. The resellers have to use it. They are helpless. Otherwise they will lose whatever they invested. So another wastage is 40%. I told you, so it's about 92,000 crores is getting wasted
Per annum.
Because farmer doesn't know how much he is to grow. So I know how much I need to grow. I'll not grow more, I'll not grow less. So the demand and supply is managed.
So if there is a wastage in a farm, a farmer, how does a farmer manages a waste?
We have fertilizer. We can use it as fertilizer. We can use it for our cows as a food. So there's no waste in our farm at all. We recycle it.
Okay. So you are saying a wastage is better managed if we buy it from a farmer.
Of course.
So, sir, Manju sir, why farming?
Why farming? I have 15 years experience in data analytics skills, and I've helped many companies with my skills. So if the same skill, why can't I use the same skill to my family business? That's agriculture. I want to do a game changer game changer concept in the agriculture. That's farmer to consumer. They reduce the food wastage, have the traceability and transparency in having your food.
How can you help in other farmers, sir?
I'm mentoring them. Many people are getting inspired. You might have seen many farmers are coming here. and I'm giving the solutions for them.
Yes.
So now readily, there's so much solutions are available on the net.
So they can spend like for the young minds. If can they spend one day with you
Yeah,
and learn farming?
I hope. See, if they log in for SLS Organic Farm page, Facebook page, I have something called farm membership. Sorry, farm internship program. Why companies can do farm internship? Why can't pharmacists can do? I am running a farm internship program. I've already 60 plus people have joined.
Wow.
So they can come and learn here. So we are not charging them. So the only thing is they have to come and work here. The practical knowledge I'm giving.
Bye bye. Alright people, let us help all the dreamers meet right mentors at the right place. Let's make this world a better place.